Hey everyone, how's it going? Feeling a bit lost? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the Hot project, also known as Hot Wallet. You can find the project link in the description below. If you're new here, welcome, where we dive into all things airdrops and ways to make money online. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. Alright, let's jump right into today's tutorial. Once you click on the project link, you'll see the interface in front of you. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but no need to stress. You don't need to understand every detail right now. What you should focus on are the key features. As soon as you log in, look for the mining section. You'll notice a progress bar filling up. Click on it, and you'll see your current earnings from hot coins. You can also view your teammates and fellow miners. It's important to be part of a community, so make sure to join ours. Again, the link is right in the description. Now let's talk about the mining features. You'll see 3 tabs below. You have the first option, which is the boost, the option in the middle. Through this, you can develop your mining. 1. Storage upgrade. This allows you to optimize your earnings. Instead of collecting your coins every 2 hours, you can upgrade your storage to gather more efficiently. For example, if you upgrade, you could collect your coins every 3 hours instead of every 2. The more you upgrade, the more frequently you'll gather coins. 2. Fireplace. This feature lets you increase your earning speed. Initially, you might earn 0.05 hot coins per hour. But as you upgrade, that number can grow significantly. It's all about making your earnings work harder for you. 3. Neon wood. This is a hybrid of the previous 2 options. By upgrading this feature, you'll boost both your collection speed and your mining efficiency. One key point to note, the neon wood feature requires you to complete certain tasks before you can upgrade it to the next level. To see your available tasks, scroll down to the Open Missions section. You'll find missions here that you can complete to level up your features. For example, you might need to download their app or refer friends to complete a mission. These tasks are a great way to earn bonuses that can help you upgrade faster. When you click on the Missions option, you'll be presented with a new interface. Currently, there might be some tasks involving deposits, which I'm not particularly interested in. However, scroll down to the gas-free option. This is crucial, because it allows you to withdraw your hot coins without any fees. Just complete the listed tasks, follow their social media accounts, or share posts, and you'll earn those gas-free withdrawals. Remember, the more tasks you complete and the more you share the project, the more hot coins you'll accumulate. Also, there's an exciting event happening with Solana. When you invite others, you can earn rewards like UST and other bonuses, so don't forget to grab your referral link and share it. So there you have it. You're all set to dive into the mining section of the Hot project. Just remember to check back every couple of hours to collect your earnings, keep upgrading your features, and actively share your referral link. And don't forget to join our community to grow together. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.